What's up, gorgeous? If you want to create this look that you see in the picture on the screen, this is a follow along step-by-step tutorial of just how to do it. Now, I'm using all NuMe products and NuMe tools today. This is the automatic curling wand. In this first section, in the bang section, I always like to roll it away from the face so it opens up the face a little bit and it gives a little bit more width to the style. Now in this section behind, I'm actually going to roll it towards the face so the curls don't all collect. If you put all your curls in the same direction, then there's a really good chance that they will all collect into one big curl. And since my hair is a little bit on the finer side, but I do have a lot of it, I like to make it look as big as possible. So as much texture as we can get, as much volume and body as we can get. And you can see each section I'm just pinning it to let it cool so the curl actually will last. This section here, I'm rolling it from behind, and that is what we are doing. Now, I've been a hairstylist for 15 years, and I've never used an automatic curling wand until I got this one. And it is a game changer. I'm telling you, anyone that has wrist pain or that has been in the beauty industry for a long time, you know how fatigued your hands can get, and you know how fatigued your wrists can get. And this automatic curling wand just makes your life so much easier. But compared to the other automatic curling wands that are out there, like the Beach Waver or any of the other ones, this one is just so much more of a higher quality in the construction of it, in the way that it gives your hair this shine and this radiance because of what it's made out of, like 100% tourmaline. So it is an amazing, amazing hair tool that has a great warranty, a super long cord, and it also comes with two smaller sizes. The one that I'm using right now is the 1.75. So that is actually the largest size. So it's going to give that big, bouncy, beautiful, kind of like classic Victoria's Secret, classic guest model look. And that's what you do. Okay, so here is the important part. I'm using the NuMe Detangling Brush, and I'm just using the tips of it. I'm not going in and raking it too aggressively just yet, but don't be afraid to actually go through and really brush out your hair, because that curl and that formation, every time you brush it, it's going to take a different shape. And I think that a lot of people are afraid to brush out their curls because they think they're not going to last. But as long as you've prepped the hair, as long as you've let the hair cool, then your curls will last. And you can see, like, sometimes my hair won't really hold a curl, but you can see that this curl and this formation is really holding and really giving like a nice shape. I love to use a detangling brush like this because the bristles are super soft and it forms the hair, but it doesn't it doesn't take away from the style. And you can see, like, I'm just flipping my hair to the left and flipping my hair to the right to kind of figure out which way looks best. I think sometimes a center part is good, but most of the time I choose a little bit off-centered or a little bit more of a side part just because I think it looks the most beautiful. Now, once I brush through the hair, I will also just start kind of fingering the hair with my own hands and just kind of like forming it like that. Often I will spray it with hairspray, and this is the final look. This is how you create that beautiful Hollywood look.